Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Alo Chill Crew Pullover. Color is bone, size medium. Let's go. Some plastic bag, some paper. Wow. Wow. Here's the tag. Chill Crew Pullover. Here's the collar. It's very chill, very thin. Feels like great workout pullover, or just very casual athleisure. Check out the other sleeve. This is the left sleeve. I think on the left side, left side around the shoulders where the branding is. And there's nothing else on the front. Here's the bottom. And nothing too special on the back. Here's the collar again. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this crew neck in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and I will catch you all in the next unboxing video. Later.